Look, I don't want to hear it. I just don't want to hear it. I don't care what your excuse is. Look, too many guys use certain physical blockers as to why they can or can't get a girl. But honestly, these are just limitations you're putting on yourself. Even if you're short, which is something you cannot control, today I'm going to show you why I think you can get any girl you want no matter what your height is. Let's hop into this. Number one, you have to understand averages. This is what's going to get you to open your eyes that you're not single because you're short. It's not women that are the problem. You're single because you're your own blocker. You are in your head about this insecurity. Only 14% of the population is over 6 feet. That means that the other 86% of the population of men that are under 6 feet, they're still getting play. And we know that the average height globally for men is 5'7", 5'7". In other words, your height's not stopping you. If you're in that 5'7" range, that's the global average. The bulk of the population is there. If you've studied statistics, you know one standard deviation from that average, that's where the bulk is mating at, meaning nothing is stopping you. Number two, you gotta be attractive. And see, this doesn't matter at what height you are. It doesn't matter if you're 6'3" or 5'7", right? At the end of the day, being attractive acts as a gatekeeper. If your physical appearance is positive, this is gonna open the gate for her to be more receptive to see all your other great qualities like your hard work, your kindness, your confidence. But if your physical appearance is bummy or you look like you put no effort, she's gonna close those gates real quick. The interest is not even gonna be there before you even try to start talking to her. Think about it this way. If you're walking down the street and you look like Zac Efron's like 5'8", take his clout and his fame away, just his looks, right? If he smiles at a girl's gonna take that as if it's flirting, right? Because he's attractive, she's more receptive to all his other positive traits. On the flip side, let's say the guy looks like Ed Sheeran, right? But again, take all his clout and his money away. Just a regular dude, but doesn't really take care of himself. He does the same thing. Now the girl thinks this guy's a creep. Even though he did the same thing and smile at her, but the difference was he doesn't take care of his appearance in the same way. Number three, get more compliments. See, with girls, compliments act like icebreakers. And you have to understand, girls don't just dish out compliments willy-nilly. When a girl actually does that, you should know this girl might have a little bit of a crush on you or at least some sort of interest in you. And you have to understand that there are some compliments that you have total control over. See, how good you dress, your work ethic, how you smell. You got total control. I think one of the easiest compliments to ever receive from a girl is you smell good. You get that compliment, that ice has been broken, and now you can easily start a conversation with her because she's already done the heavy lifting. Getting more compliments makes it easy, especially if you're smelling great. Look, I'm gonna make it even simpler for you. My Santa Lucia fragrances, especially this last collection that we dropped, the dark collection, were designed for that in mind. See, when I was designing these fragrances and we were going through all the notes and the oils and bro, I can show you, I think we did about 6-7 iterations per scent. Yo, it was for one purpose and one purpose alone. I wanted for you to be the best smelling guy in that room. And not only that, I wanted you to smell amazing and I wanted you to smell unique. And that's where our dark collection for Santa Lucia came in. See, our three fragrances, Azabache, Love, and Gala, these things are heavy hitters. All of them. They're designed in France, which is the fragrance capital of the world, using some of the best oils in the world from France, from Italy. In combination with our perfumist, we hand-selected certain notes to deliver potent and strength in key areas in our fragrances. Yo, I'm telling you, this dark collection will be some of the best fragrances you've ever tried. And if you don't have a good fragrance and you want to start getting those compliments, if I'm going to only suggest one, I think one that you'll love would be Gala, which is our third one from the dark collection. But if I were you, I'd buy all three. In other words, get the set. If you buy the set, it's already discounted. I'm removing $150 off the entire set, which is an insane discount. On top of that, you're gonna get free shipping and free returns if you live in the US. If you guys wanna check out that dark collection, it'll be linked down below. Yo, and I mean, come on. How can you not impress? All right, that was kind of messed up. I don't know why I came from the bottom, honestly. But how can you not get compliments when you look this good? Yo, size goes out the door at this point. When you got frames that look this good, that are our new collection for Jade Black, that I'm hyper excited about because, yo, I really thought we weren't gonna be launching this anytime soon. This inventory, by the way, has been done since last year, December, if I'm not wrong, was when the purchase order went through. We're in May, bro. We're in May, and I could have sworn we weren't going to get it anytime soon, but we got it, which means this is a good cut. This is a good cut in the video because May 28th, bro, our new designs for Jade Black, including this, are dropping, which means I'm giving you power-ups, right? I don't care how tall, short, big, small, skinny, strong. I don't care about it. I don't care about any of that. The frames will do all the work for you. Here's the thing, bro. May 28th, our collection's dropping, which means you should pull out your phone. You should put a reminder on your phone, 10 a.m. Eastern. You want to be the first one there. These frames, they'll level you up. Number 4, I need you to focus on your purpose. You need to understand one thing. Money is the great equalizer. At the end of the day, a dude that is financially stable, that is financially secure, financially literate, does the mature moves, he can take care of himself. He has his apartment, he has his car, his bills are paid, he's not in debt. That is a dude that's always going to be more attractive than the tall dude that's a bum and still living with his parents. Women want to see financial stability in men, meaning you need to focus on your purpose. Whatever your career is, you need to be the best at it and make sure you can scale in that career, whether that is at your job, at your business, whether you're pursuing a degree in computer science and being a doctor. Look, it doesn't matter what your career path is. You have to become the best at it and figure out how to monetize it so you can be financially stable. Which rolls on to number 5, I want you to start dressing right. See, there's 2 key strategies as a short guy you should be deploying. You can do certain visual tricks to make yourself look taller and more confident. One of them, avoid contrast. For example, contrast would be wearing colors that are very harsh in contrast like what you're seeing now. You should avoid that if you're a short guy and try to stick within the same color family or at least the same shade of a family. In other words, if you're wearing lights, stick to the lights in the entire outfit. If you're wearing dark colors, stick to dark colors in the entire outfit. Removing contrast makes you look taller because there's no interruptions. On top of that, you should be wearing shoes with a thicker sole. And this is great because right now that's trending, whether that's sneakers, loafers, or boots. Either of these with chunky soles can give you an easy 1 to 2 inches to your height. And finally, number 6, I'm gonna need you to stand tall. Too many guys, whether you're short or tall, have horrible posture most of the time because they feel insecure. So you start caving in, you roll your shoulders forward, and you never look confident in yourself. So whether you're short or tall, this should apply to everybody where you always want to stand tall. See, when you do this, you're instantly adding about 1 inch to 2 inches to your height because you're actually rolling back your shoulders, you're pushing your head back, and you're getting that height. But more importantly, on top of the height, you're getting that confidence. When you walk like this, it doesn't matter if you're 5'7" or 6'2", you're always gonna look good. And that's basically it for this 6th video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our Santa Lucia collection. It's gonna be linked down below as well. That's it for your boy. See you next time.